Today, we're going to talk about the many ways you can use eggshells for everyday solutions. With the economy the way it is, every tip or trick you can use to save money is now more important than ever. Yep, those eggshells you toss in the trash after cooking breakfast, they are gold mines of usefulness, especially if you're trying to make the most of what you have. First things first, before you start getting creative with the eggshells, you got to prep them right. Start by saving up those shells in a container until you've got a good batch. Give them a quick rinse to get rid of any leftover egg goo. Then it's baking time. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread those shells out on a baking sheet and let them bake for about 10 minutes. This not only sterilizes them, it also makes them easier to crush later. Once they've cooled down, grab a mortar and pestle or a food processor and crush them up as much as you can. The finer, the better, especially if you're planning to use them in the garden. Crushed eggshells break down faster, releasing calcium into the soil and giving your plants a boost. If you got any leftover crushed shells, pop them in an airtight container for later use. Okay, now on to the fun part. The amazing uses for eggshells. Add them to your compost pile. Eggshells are composting champs. They break down quickly, adding calcium to the soil and helping out your garden. Boost your tomatoes. Tomatoes are calcium-hungry plants, and eggshells are here to help. Crush a few shells and sprinkle them around your tomato plants to give them a nutrient boost. Prevent deer from getting into your garden. You're tired of deer munching on your garden goodies? Crushed eggshells might just be the solution. Scatter them around your garden. Those sharp, jagged edges irritate the deer's feet, making them think twice about feasting on your plants. Make your own sterno fuel. If you're a prepper, you know how essential this stuff can be. Just crush some eggshells into powder, mix them with rubbing alcohol, and let it sit for a couple days. Boom! Homemade sterno. Sharpen your knives. No knife sharpener? No problem. Grab some clean, dry eggshells, crush them up, and run your dull blades through them. Rinse off the blades and voila! Sharp knives ready for action. Clean your garbage disposal. You ever notice that funky smell coming from it? Instead of using harsh chemicals, just drop some crushed eggshells down there and let the disposal do its thing. It'll clean and deodorize it like magic. Feed them to your chickens. Chickens love munching on crushed eggshells. And they're not just tasty treats, they're packed with calcium and other minerals that keep your feathered friends healthy. Sprinkle them around the garden as a pest deterrent. Those sharp edges of crushed eggshells are like a no-entry sign for bugs. But they won't bother the good guys, like ladybugs or bees. Add it to beef broth for more calcium. You ever thought of adding eggshells to your beef broth for extra calcium? Yep, you can do that too. Just rinse them, dry them, crush them, and mix them. Boost your laundry detergent. Fill up a mesh laundry bag with crushed eggshells and toss it in with your laundry. Those shells help break down dirt and soften the water, so your detergent works even better. Use the membrane as a natural bandage. If you're off the grid and end up with a cut or burn, eggshells can save the day. Peel off that thin membrane from inside the shell, slap it on the wound. It sticks like glue and helps protect it while it heals. Filter and clarify homemade wine. Making your own wine is a rewarding experience, but sometimes it can end up cloudy. No worries though, eggshells to the rescue. Crush them up and add them to your wine. They'll combine with the impurities and sediment, sinking to the bottom and leaving you with clear, crisp wine. Scrub pots and pans. Cleaning pots and pans can be a hassle, especially without running water. But forget harsh chemicals. Use ground up eggshells instead. Their mildly abrasive texture works wonders on grime and residue, leaving your kitchenware sparkling clean. Balance the pH in your aquaponics garden. If you are struggling to maintain proper pH levels in your aquaponics setup, eggshells can help. They're naturally alkaline, so adding crushed eggshells to your system can aid in balancing the pH levels of the water, keeping your plants happy and healthy. Make a DIY calcium supplement for your own health. Calcium supplements can be pricey, but you can make your own at home using eggshells. Rinse them, dry them, crush them into a fine powder, and there you go, your own homemade calcium supplement. Make a fertilizer with fish emulsion. Eggshells are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, making them an excellent addition to homemade fertilizer. Grind them into a fine powder, mix them with fish emulsion, and watch your plants grow healthy and strong. Reduce the impacts of peach tree leaf curl. If you've got peach trees and you worry about leaf curl disease, eggshells can help. Crush them up and sprinkle them around the base of your trees. The calcium in the eggshells boosts their resistance to fungal infections, keeping those leaves healthy. Start seedlings in the shells. Forget plastic pots, eggshells make perfect seedling starters. This would be a trick to use with eggshells you haven't crushed, but still go ahead and bake them first. Fill them with soil, add your seeds, and watch your plants grow. When they're ready, transplant the whole shell into your garden bed. Heal blisters. Blisters are a pain, especially when you're out in the wild, but you don't need any fancy treatments when you've got eggshells. Crush them up, wrap them in gauze, and apply them to your blistered area. They'll help absorb moisture and reduce friction, speeding up the healing process. Eliminate dental pain. Dental pain can be brutal, but eggshells might just save the day. They're packed with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which can help with cavities and ease the pain. Just crush them up and mix them into a paste for some natural relief. Boil in your coffee. Love your morning brew but hate the bitterness? Add some eggshells to your boiling water before brewing. They help neutralize the acid in your coffee, making it smoother and less bitter. Give them to your worm farm. Worms love eggshells. Crush them up and mix them with the worm castings in your worm farm. They provide a source of calcium and other nutrients, creating a healthy environment for your wriggly friends. Use them to clean the sink. Eggshells aren't just for the garden, they're great for cleaning too. Mix pulverized eggshells with a bit of soap and use the mixture to scrub your sink. The eggshell's abrasive texture will help remove grime and leave your sink sparkling clean. Repel cats. Cats can be pesky garden invaders, but eggshells can help keep them at bay. Sprinkle crushed eggshells around your garden beds. The roughed texture is a deterrent for cats, so they'll think twice before using your garden as their personal litter box. Treat itchy skin. Got an itch you just can't scratch? Eggshells might provide some relief. There are plenty of DIY recipes out there for eggshell remedies, so give one a try and see if it helps soothe your skin. Burn them in the chimney to enhance wood ash. If you've got a wood-burning fireplace or stove, toss some pulverized eggshells into the fire. The calcium in the eggshells will enrich the wood ash, improving its acidity level and making it even better for your garden. Eat them up. Yep, you heard that right. You can eat eggshells. Boil them for a few minutes, remove the inner skin, pulverize them, and add the emulsified, calcium-rich eggshells to your food. They're a great source of calcium, especially for those on a vegetarian diet. Whether you're tending your garden, fixing up stuff around the house, or even treating minor cuts and scrapes, these amazing shells have a use for almost everything. So next time you're making breakfast, don't toss those shells away. think of all the cool things you can do with them instead. There you have it, all the ways you can use eggshells to save money or in an SHTF situation when a lot of stuff is no longer available. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you've tried any of these tips or you have some of your own.